Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I have got an exciting review lined up for you, the 5 best front and rear dash cams. So, if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's safety system or just want some peace of mind on the road, this video is for you. So buckle up and let's dive in. Number 1. Icesky 3-channel Wi-Fi dashcam. This affordable dashcam is probably the best one I have owned. It was really easy to set up and use in the Vantrue N4 using the cutting-edge Sony sensor and Novatech chipset. Monitors and displays your car's front, rear, and interior simultaneously in 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution, providing cinematic smooth video evidence in case of accident dispute or insurance claims. It is an ideal dashcam for family cars, new drivers, and Uber. With a few simple taps, you can get live streaming videos from your car's front and rear inside, adjust the camera setting, download your trip videos, and share the videos on any social media. Number 2. Vantrue N4 Pro 3. Using the latest 2023 Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, the N4 Pro's front camera supports up to 4K 3840 multiplied by 2160 resolution in all 1Ch, 2Ch, or 3Ch options. It delivers cinematic smooth 4K image quality that makes reading license plates a breeze, day or night. Monitor your car's front, interior, and rear simultaneously in 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or disputes. It is perfect for family trips and Uber or Lyft drivers. Adopting the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, which can provide better low-light performance and clarity compared with Starvis, enables the N4 Pro dashcam to record images of moving vehicles more accurately and quickly, without blurring or chromatic aberration. Number 3. REDTIGER dashcam. This dual-channel dashcam with 170 degrees front camera and 155 degrees rear camera minimizes blind spots, offers Wi-Fi connectivity and smart app control, a dual-channel wide-angle field-of-view dashcam, and a waterproof backup camera. With excellent night vision and HDR or WDR technology, it can capture important details even in low-light conditions. The front and rear dashcams feature G-sensor emergency lock, loop recording, 24-hour parking monitoring, and GPS tracking with speed. REDTIGER dashcam is equipped with a supercapacitor and extreme high-temperature resistance, supporting cards up to 256 GB of REDTIGER support for assistance. Number 4. NextDigitron Prime Dual-Channel Dash. It has a non-intrusive, ultra-slim design, which helps to keep the windscreen field of view clear from any obstruction. Minimalist design ensures OEM-like fitment, and the dashcam is fully detachable from its mount. This helps to remove and fix it easily in case service center people ask to remove the dashcam. Wide working temperatures range from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius achieved by removing 2 temperature-sensitive components, LCD screen and lithium battery. These are replaced by a supercapacitor, resulting in a longer lifespan and being suitable for 24H parking monitoring. At number 5. BlackVue DR900X 2Ch dashcam. The DR900X 2Ch with 32 GB microSD card is BlackVue's range-topping dual-camera model, engineered for the user who demands the finest video quality day and night. Featuring a 4K UHD front camera with an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor and a full HD 1080p rear camera with a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor for superb clarity. DR900X series can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode without requiring optional accessories. The dashcam will switch to parking mode automatically when vehicle ignition is turned off. So, which front and rear dashcam caught your eye most? Let us know in the comments section, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might be looking for a budget-friendly dashcam. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, drive safely out there.